Come take a look at this 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Carfax has certified this Silverado 2500 HD as having one owner. This Silverado 2500 HD has just under 73,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, premium cloth seat trim, LT Preferred Equipment Group, Summit White, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 4536 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, alternator, dual, 125 ounce each, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, V20 diesel compatible, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, interior plus package and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.